Attention mail carriers. You can replace your $55,000 salary with QQQI. I'm going to show you how. In today's video, we're going to look at the entry, median, and peak level salaries, and we're also going to use QQQI's 14% yield in order to get our QQQI figures. All right, let's get started with the salaries. An entry-level mail carrier salary is $43,000 a year. The median salary for a mail carrier is $59,000 a year. And last but not least, the peak salary for a mail carrier is $71,000 a year. All right, finally, let's get to our QQQI figures. To replace the entry-level salary, we would need to take $43,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $307,000 worth of QQQI. To replace the median salary, we will take $59,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $421,000 worth of QQQI. To replace the peak level salary, we will need to take $71,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $507,000 worth of QQQI. All right, guys, that wraps up the numbers. You're probably watching this video and you have a sigh of relief. And yes, guys, this is something to be relieved about because we have been told for decades that we need millions of dollars to be financially free. But in this time and age, that is not the case. But at the same time, these figures still take a while to achieve. Unfortunately, most people do not reach these figures, even working for 40 years. I forgot about one more salary. So the highest recorded salary for a mail carrier is $120,000. So if we wanted to replace that with QQQI, we will need $857,000 worth of QQQI. You have enough passive income to pay all your bills. What does that mean? No long hours, no bad weather exposure, no other safety risk. Guys, that wraps up everything in this video. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational purposes, so please do your own research. And guys, this video is scenario based. And give you guys a warning, QQQI is a great investment in my opinion, but just like with any other investment, it carries risk. The NAV can erode, the dividend can decline. It can also go through a dividend cut during market downturns. So never put all of your eggs in one basket. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when my next videos will pop up. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video